Hi, Lacey with Coastal Comfort Heating and Air Conditioning. Today with Habitat for Humanity, I'll show you an easy DIY task you can do at home. Around your home, you may notice different grills. This particular grill is a filter grill. That means this grill has a filter behind it which helps filter the air when it's coming back to your heating and air conditioning system. You'll notice two tabs, sometimes they're on the side, so once you open those, the front of the filter grill will open. This particular filter is a 14 by 24 by 1. They do vary in sizes, so you'll have to either measure the inside or just check the size of the filter that's there now. So you'll want to notice that this filter has an arrow. The arrow should be going in the direction of the airflow. You'll notice that the back of this filter has like a wire mesh, so that is going to be the backing of your filter. So you just easily pop it in. There you go. Okay, another type of grill that you may have is called a flat grill, meaning it has screws and you cannot easily open it. There's no filter behind this particular type of grill, which means there's a central filter somewhere else. Usually it could be in your crawl space or your attic. Let's go check. In this particular setting, the air handler is in the attic. This right here is called a media air filter cabinet. So inside it has about a 4 or 5 inch thick filter. Sometimes the doors are taped on, but that's normal. So we're gonna pull the tape off and we're going to take off the door. Again, we're going to check the filter if it has arrows, and that's going to go in the direction of the airflow. The direction of the airflow is always going to be going towards the equipment. So that's an easy way to remember that the arrows will point towards the equipment. You just slide in the filter, and then we will place back on the door. Replace the tape. There you go. Depending on what type of filter you have will determine on how often it should be replaced. A pleated filter like this should be replaced every 60 to 90 days. A standard throwaway filter is usually good for only about 30 days, so it's important to check those regularly. The media filter that we replaced in the attic is about 3 to 4 inches thick, and those are typically good for 1 year. And that's your DIY tip brought to you by Habitat for Humanity and Coastal Comfort.